204. My first partition is starting from 2048 and my second one is ending here, and now my second one is starting from here and this is ending here, and now this one is starting from here. Hi all of you, welcome to my another video of storage management. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a logical partition and how to create extended partition as well. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create 3 primary partition and 1 extended partition. So let me just log into my machine and show you the stuff for today. Login as ec2-user. Alright, now as you all can see that I am successfully logged in. Now it's time to be a root user. Alright, so let me first show you that, let me first check for myself as well how many partitions are created. Let me delete these partitions. Alright, for that first I have to go to in that disk, in this disk. First let me go in. Now I'm in. Let me press D for delete. It is by defaulting deleting 4th partition. Let it delete. D again, deleting 3rd. Alright, 2nd. Alright, now press W to save and quit. Alright, if I now run lsblk, now you can see that there is only 1 partition. Alright, let me show you with example as well. Alright, so let it open. Now what I will do, I will create 2nd, 3rd, 3 more partitions, all primary partition. Alright, and after that let me take a shape of this rectangle is pretty good. Alright, so this is my disk right now. There is a partition of 26 MB. Alright, there is a partition of 26 MB. Alright, this is my disk. This is my disk of how many GB? Of 66 GB. Alright, let me write it again, 66 GB, and you all can see that there is a first partition of 26 MB. Alright, now let me create a second partition by pressing N. Alright, let me first enter in that disk. Now press N for new partition. By default it is taking container for logical partition. Yes, by default this is taking P. Alright, P means primary. Alright, second. Alright, everything is good. Now let me create a partition of 1, not 1, 166 GB. Don't forget to wait a minute. What is happening here? N P primary, P partition, default P. Alright, I think this is taking from the extended one. Alright, let me just do one thing. Let me just do like this, of 66 GB. Yes, this is taking. So as you all can see, now there is no partition. Let me erase from here as well. Let me show you from scratch. Alright, let it be right like this. Now I am creating a partition. As you all can see, there is no partition. Alright, now I am creating a partition, first partition of 26 MB P. Alright, P for primary, default 1, partition number 1. Now first sector, let me take first sector. It is taking by default 204, which is good. Now let me create a first sector, first partition of 26 MB. Alright, partition contains a XFS signature. Let me write yes. You can write yes, either of them. Alright, the signature will be removed by a write command. Alright, let me show you this partition table. As you all can see that there is one partition created of 26 MB. Now it's time to make a second partition. By default it is taking P, which is good. Second one, let me create of 166 MB. Alright, now let me take now let me create a new partition again. Now you can see that now this is taking by default 3, which is good. Alright, default everything is good. Now it's time to create another one. Let me take 66 GB. Alright, value out of range. Why value is out of range? Alright, I can't take 66 GB because my disk is my disk actual size is of 66 GB. So how I can take that? Let me take like 666 MB. My third partition is this value is also out of range. How this value? Alright, let me write plus before this as well. Alright, now I think now my partition is created, as you all can see. Let me show you the partition table. Now you can see that one partition is of 26 MB, another one is of 166 MB, and now another one is of I think, let me see, 666 MB. Alright, now as you all can see, because this my disk is of 66 GB, as you all can see, only this much partition are created. It means that there is a lot of space which is not utilized proper, so this space is remaining. Alright, now if I create a new partition, now you can see that by default this is taking E. E means extended, as I already told you in my first or second video of MBR partition of storage management. Alright, now this is taking extended partition. Alright, now this is saying that from this sector to this sector your partition will be created. By default this is taking this one. Alright, you can see here after the end of this, alright, you can see that the extended is starting. Alright, so now it's time to press enter again. Now what I'm gonna do here, that the remaining space which is left over here, I will make a extended partition of this whole space. Alright, I will not specify any number here. Let me press enter without specifying any size. Now you can see that created new partition 4 of type extended, not of Linux. This is type of extended and size of 65.2 GB. Let me show you by pressing W. Let me first quit from here. Now let me show you. You can see that here my last partition is created of 65.2 GB. Alright, now if I run here lsblk, now you can see that there are 4 partitions are created. First one is of 26 MB, second one is of 166 MB, third one is of 666 MB, and now you can see that here the last one is of only 1 KB. But I have recently showed you that I have created a partition of 65.2 GB. Let me show you. Here you can see that the last partition is of 65.2 GB. But why this is showing 1K here? Because this is not showing the size of the partition, because this one is your extended partition, so it contains some information in 1 KB. Let me show you. Let me run that command again. Now if I run here p for partition table, now here you can see that 65.2 GB, and here you can see that this one is extended. Alright, now you can see that extended here. Alright, so now you can see that this first partition is starting from 2048 and now ending here. Alright, first let me do one thing. Let me just stop this server for now. Alright, now you can see that 204, my first partition is starting from 2048 and my second one is ending here, and now my second one is starting from here and this is ending here, and now this one is starting from here ending here. Alright, and you can see the starting. After this one is starting and ending here, and after this one is starting and ending here. So I will show you in the next video that how you can create logical partition, how you can create logical partition from your extended one. Alright, so I will show you in the next video. Also I will show you that how you can mount permanently a directory to a partition. Alright, I will show you that as well in my next video. So please subscribe the channel, also like this video. Also you can share as well with some folks who are right now learning Linux or who will learn Linux in future. So yeah, I think it is the right time to end this video. So I will meet you in my next video.